Hopefully you are searching for trading account management service. If it's correct, then you are on the exact video for which you are searching. In this video, I'll show you the last week results of our account management service, and I'll show you some last week profits and withdrawals of our clients. And in the end, we will talk about how can you join our account management service, and I'll answer some frequently asked questions about our account management service. Okay, this is our account management channel where I upload daily 2 or 3 accounts history, and this is a daily overview video in which I have showed some live results and I have discussed some entries that we took on our client's account. So this is a daily overview video. Okay, this is one of my client who just deposited $285 and I made $122 profit on his account in a single day. This is another client, he just deposited 200 euros and I made 88 euros in his account. And the next client is with the deposit of $200 and I made $84 in his account in a single day. Okay, this is another client who just deposited $150 and I made $148 on this account, almost 100% gain in one setup. I just received this account and we were close to our one of the best and sniper setup, and this was our entry with 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, and the risk here was only $30 and the reward and the profit was $148. So almost we got here 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio in this account. Okay, this is another client with the deposit of $2,500 and I made $435 profit on his account in a single day, and this was our third withdrawal with this client. This is the next account with the deposit of $6,500 and I made $1,200 profit on this account. This is another client who just deposited 300 euros and we made 114 euro on the account of this client. So this is our account management channel, and here you can see the complete history and the performance of our account management service, and this is the valuable feedback from our those clients who are already enjoying our account management service. Almost 1800 plus people vote us that we are trusted. Okay, now I'll show you some accounts that I have traded last week and I'll show you the last 3-month history of these accounts. Okay, this is Exness broker account and the deposit was $7,400 and overall in the last 3 months I made $18,400 profit in this account, and my client already withdrawn his profit and sent me my share timely. So this is the account of another client, and this is IC Markets account with the deposit of $500 and I made $528 profit in last 3 months, and this is the great achievement and it is 100% gain in the last month. Okay guys, this is a challenge account and it is 100k TFT Royal Challenge account, and this is phase 1, and in the last week I have made $4,000 in this challenge account. That's mean 4% gain in 1 week, and totally we have to make 8% on this account, and then we have to make 5% on phase 2. After that we will have a real funded account with 100k deposit and we will make $1,000 every month on real funded account. Okay, this is another Exness broker account and the deposit was $8,000, and in the last week and overall in the last 3 months we have earned $11,000 profit on this account. My client has already withdrawn the profit and he sent me my share on time. This is another broker account and the deposit was $11,800 in this account, and in the last 3 months I have made $13,000 profit on this account, and you can see we have also made some losses in this account, but overall we are in profit and the profit amount is $13,000 with the deposit of $11,800, and my client has withdrawn $12,700 from his account. Okay, now let's move to computer screen and I will try to answer some frequently asked questions. Question number 1 is, what is account management and how it works? Okay, so account management is a way or a process in which you have to send me your MT4 or MT5 account details, login details, and I will trade on your account and I will make profit for you. And when I will open trades in my personal account, I will also open trades in your account. Question number 2 is, how can I join your account management service? So if you want to join our account management service, you should have an MT4 or MT5 account of any trusted broker with the minimum deposit of $200 and you can join us. Just send me your login details in my Telegram inbox and we can start. So the next question is, what is profit share percentage? So the profit share percentage is 50-50% from total earned profit. 50% is your revenue share and 50% is my profit share. Let's suppose our account size is $200 and we made a profit of $50. Then $25 will be my revenue share and $25 will be your revenue share. Same like that, if your account size is $1,000 and we made a profit of $200, then that's mean $100 will be my revenue share and $100 will be your profit share. So question number 4 is, what happens if my account has blow? So guys, we always try our best to give safe profit to our clients and we are already doing that, but there is no guarantee that we will not face a loss. Profit and loss both are part of the business. Maybe we will go in a little bit drawdown, but we will cover it and we will share our next earned profit. And the second thing is that our risk to reward ratio is around 1:4 risk to reward ratio. That's mean if we will lose a trade, we will lose 1%, and if we will win the trade, we will make 4% from one entry. Let's suppose we have traded 10 trades in a week and we lose 7 trades, and from total 10 trades we only have 3 successful entries. That means we made 12% from 3 successful entries and we lost 7% on 7 lose trades. That means from total 10 trades we lose 7 trades and still we are in profit, and the profit amount is 5%. So this is the power of money management and this is the power of risk management, and that's why there are very low chances to blow your account. So the next question is, do you refund money on account blown? Okay, again, as I told you, we always try our best to give safe profit to our clients, and the profit and loss both are part of the business, and that's why there is no guarantee or refund on loss. But don't worry, due to our good risk to reward ratio and due to our proper money management and risk management, there are very low chances to blow or lose your account. And if we will have a drawdown or loss, first of all we will cover our this loss first, and then we will share our next earned profit. We will not block you like other people and fake managers, and we will not leave you alone, and we are always here to help you. Question number 6 is, when will we share our profit, daily or weekly? So it's depend on your account size, and for minimum account size it will be $50 profit targets. Let's suppose your account size is $200 and we made a profit of minimum $50. We will do profit sharing. After profit sharing, we will go for the next entry, and maybe we will have again a profit of $50 or above $50. We will share again this same day profit. Now let's suppose your account size is $1,000, then our profit target will be around $200 or $150. So it's depend on market structure, movement and opportunity in the market. So let's suppose if we have a profit of $200, we will do our profit sharing, and after profit sharing we will go for the next entry. Hopefully you have got it. Question number 7 is, what is minimum account balance to start? So the minimum is $200 to start with us. If you have an MT4 or MT5 real account on any trusted broker with the deposit of minimum $200, you can join us and we can start. So the next question is, how will I send you your profit share? Payment methods. So you can send me my profit share by using Binance Pay ID or with USDT TRC20, ERC20, Bitcoin, LTC, or with Skrill or Perfect Money. Mostly my clients are using USDT, TRC20 wallet and Bitcoin wallet to send me my profit share. Question number 9 is, what is your recommended account size to start? So I will recommend you to start with minimum $500 or with $1,000 if you want to make a good amount of profit. But keep in mind guys, the minimum is only $200 to start with us. So the last question is, I am already scammed by someone. How can I trust you? So it's very important and interesting question. So guys, it is not easy to trust someone again, but let's talk about the scenario that what if you trust me. Number 1, this time your account will be traded by someone who is already a professional trader. And number 2, this time you do not need to worry about big lots open on your account because we follow money management and risk management. And number 3, you can check our account management history and performance and the feedback of our clients on Telegram channel, which will assure you about us, and then you will be able to trust us. So guys, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.